Hello guys, Trolls on here, and this video shows you how to unbrick a Samsung Galaxy S GT-I9000. So first, turn off your device by removing your battery. First remove your cover, then remove your battery, reinstall your battery, reinstall your cover, and then hold the volume down key plus home key. By holding both keys, turn on your device. Now connect your phone to the PC. Yes, here. Now come to the PC. Now you can download these two files from link in description. First is Odin and the second is .pit file. So open the Odin and you need to reconnect your device to the PC. Just remove the USB cable and reconnect your USB cable. So after connecting your device, you will got yellow color in this COM port box right here. Just a minute, yeah, here, and then you need to select the pit file that we have downloaded as .pit. Now just hit the start button. Now here's the guys, you have successfully unbricked your Samsung Galaxy S. So this Galaxy S is totally unbricked by this step. So here, see that the phone is started now. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate and comment.